All right, welcome everybody back out to this next module. And in this specific module, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create, this type of capture page, right? And once again, you probably came to my page by opting in or doing some kind of action like that to get to this free training. And so first thing you're going to do is click the link below, get signed up for what's called lead pages or LSN. Okay, you can use either or to create capture pages. I'll put a link below for both of those, right? Obviously, make sure you have your list created, your name is ready, your form is ready, which was step 3. We didn't cover that. So step 3 here is what you're going to do is go ahead and let's just click on opt-in pages. Let me take this a step at a time. So obviously, once you sign in, it's going to look just like this. Click on opt-in pages. Let's go ahead and scroll down to one of the easier ones. You can get into the fancy stuff a little bit later. All right, but this one is pretty simple here. You can put some backgrounds. I'll show you guys how to do this one because it's pretty cool. You guys can put a background and customize it to make it cater to you or your business or whatever the case may be. All right, and so what we're gonna do here is we'll use this one here. All right, so we'll go ahead and use this template. Say no, thank you, or rather not say. All right, and first thing I always do is I name my page. All right, so I'm just gonna call this Jermaine Steele. All right, this is going to be, we'll call this page title. You want to type in your page title, Jermaine Steele, free training on how to set up, pages. All right, and then I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to put this in my description as well. Now, if there's ever any other, keywords or something like that out there that you want to cover, you can put those keywords in here, whatever the case may be. And you can actually start to rank your fan page in the search engines, but for training purposes, we'll leave it at that. Now, here's what I typically do is I get rid of this. I hide this one, which is just, you can put an image in there if you want, and I'll show you how to do that. You would just basically go click on edit, and you would just go, edit, and you would just put in, like for one that I do use when I do that is this one. You won't believe this. All right, but I'm going to get rid of that. We'll hide it. And so what we're going to say is free videos reveal the 3 dirt cheap steps. All right, you want to, whatever your offer is. So it could be like the free, dirt cheap steps to get traffic, or 3 ways I made $1 million last year, or 3 ways, XYZ, right? Whatever. So 3 dirt cheap steps I use to create all my pages. Right? Including this one, right? We're going to say including this one, plus what you are missing, all right, online. So you always want to give some kind of, maybe what people are missing, or, they want to feel like they want to opt in. So enter your email address to get this free training. So I'll just type in free training. All right, to get free training, and it says download the, you click on edit here, and it says click on download the report. I'm going to say watch the video, or let's say get my secrets. Now, people love secrets, right? And we'll go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see that it's going to change up. It's going to say get my secrets now. All right, and then I'm also going to link off my legal information to one of my sites. You want to make sure that if you're doing, some kind of business, that you link people off to, terms and conditions. All right, so I'm just going to grab one of my terms and conditions off the page, and I'm going to just link that up. A lot of legalities going on nowadays with internet marketing. Make sure to protect yourself, and the way you do it is you just grab your company's legal disclaimer, right, and put that there. And that could be the terms and information. It could be the privacy policy, whatever it needs to be put in for your specific business. Make sure you put that in there, all right? So your information will never be shared to a third party. Now, you can put a different picture in here as well. What I'll typically do is put like a picture of myself, training or something like that. This one's pretty cool. I'll put this picture in there. And then, so say opt in to get my, whoop, let's say opt in to get my 3-step process to have people raving over my training and throwing money at my business. All right. So you want to make, put some, like maybe color this up a little bit, right? You could put the, change the font. You could change the color on it and things like that. And, you can get into that if you like, but I'm not going to get into that right now. But change the fonts and different things like that. And here's where you're going to take your Aweber and you're going to integrate it with your capture page. Now, remember, if you're getting a little overwhelmed and I'm going a little fast, that's okay. Rewind it, pause it, rewind it until you get it right, okay? And once again, like my fan page, reach out to me, give me a text, connect with me on Facebook. And you can get into my coaching programs or buy into one of my businesses or join the team. All right, so next thing you're going to do is click on Aweber HTML. What I'm going to do is go back over here. Don't grab the Java snippet. All right, you need the raw HTML. Going to highlight this here, go all the way down, grab all of this Chinese, which looks like Chinese. But remember, that was step 3 from the prior video. And then you're going to grab this code. You're going to paste it in here. All right, and you're going to click on customize this form, give it a minute to load, and boom, you can see it just popped from name, email, etc. to just email, right? Because remember, we tamed our page, or our form, I should say, to only collect an email in the last video, all right? So this is the type of thing that you need to be doing in your business, guys, setting up funnels. Now, make sure you're redirecting wherever you want people to go. I'm personally sending them back to my blog or my fan page because I have plenty of funnels that are leading people back to my business opportunities, to my coaching, to my webinars, etc. But one that I highly suggest to do is to go ahead and create a page for a webinar. All right, and we'll get into that in a different training. What I want to do real quick is show you how to change the background image. Very, very simple. And what I'll typically do is, once again, brand myself, put in some kind of picture that will give the lifestyle type of look, right? Which, nice beach background. Here's us, Nate, myself, out at the beach, okay? And then what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to save this, all right? And that's pretty much the extent of it. So here's what we're going to do is once this is saved, I'm going to go a step further above and beyond, and I'm going to show you guys how to forward this to a domain, okay? And what people are going to see is this. So they'll go to like www.yourwebsite.com and they'll see this page, right? And that way you don't have to remember this long URL, right? So if someone says, what's your website? You go lastminuteincome.com, lead page is Jermaine Steele. It's too hard to remember. All right, but I want to show you guys how this works. I'm going to put in one of my dummy emails here, hit enter, and it's actually going to redirect, boom, to my fan page. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is, if you got value from this video and this series of training, if you're watching this, is I want you to share this this video. I want you to share this post. I want you to share this Facebook status. Whatever it is that you see, if you got a tremendous amount of value, I want you to say, sheesh, that's a lot of value. All right? Just like in the next Fiverr video you're going to see, I want you guys to say, sheesh, that's a lot of value. All right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and buy yourself a domain. Click the link below this, get a GoDaddy domain, right? And then go ahead and what I want you to do after that is I want you to go ahead and click on Launch Domains. Now, you're obviously not going to have as many domains as I'm going to have, but find one. Let me see if I have one in here that I could use for this specific. I'm going to do checkoutmyscreen.com. All right, so I'm going to click on forward, and I'm just going to put forward in there, and then I'm going to hit the space bar and hit edit. So let me do that again. If you didn't see what I did, I clicked on the domain, I made it launch, I clicked on forward up here, forward domains, right? And then there's an update being processed, so obviously I can't do that. But what's going to happen is when I send people to checkoutmyscreen.com, they're going to see this, right? They're going to see my capture page that says free video reveals the 3 dirt cheap steps I use to create all my pages, including this one, plus what you are missing online. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the blog that you're watching this on now, and I'm going to go back into my Aweber, into my redirect settings, and instead of redirecting people to my fan page, I'm going to redirect people to this actual blog training. All right, now if they're already subscribed, what I'll then do is I'll probably go ahead and send them to my fan page. But once again, that would be how you'd redirect people to a training. So if you're trying to redirect people to a free training, all you'd have to do is record a set of 3 videos just like I did, put them on your blog. Your blog URL goes here, and then boom, you're in the money. All right. Download an app called PicStitch on your phone. Put your website on all your pictures. I want to go a step further. And if you're not doing this, guys, and if you don't think it's going to work, you're sleeping. You're gonna run yourself in circles. But you see how I did this? Now I could put checkoutmyscreen.com, so when people go to my Instagram or different things like that, they can see the different websites. All right, so hope you guys got a ton of value. Once again, if you got a ton of value from this video, comment below on my blog, on my fan page, on my video. Share this post and say, sheesh, that's a lot of value. Peace out.